What is up, guys, and welcome to the South Coast. On a previous video, I installed the Femco oil drain plug on this Nissan Pathfinder. Today's video, we're going to do our first oil change since that was installed, so let's get after it. Alright guys, so like I said, I previously installed the Femco oil drain plug on this 2011 Nissan Pathfinder. I'll put the link for that down in the description. I'll also put the link for the video down in the description so you can go watch the install. I also installed one on my Ram 2500 you see here behind me, and I've already done an oil change with that one, so I'll link those videos as well. So I already got my catch pan and everything set up underneath there. I'm gonna get this camera set up so you guys can watch how this goes. Alright guys, well, that took a little bit more time than I was expecting to get the oil out. The car's been sitting, it's cold, haven't run the engine all day today, so that probably would have helped. Next time I'll probably just go ahead and run the engine for a little bit, let that oil warm up, thin out a little bit, but it worked pretty well. Just got the tube here draining out into the pan. We'll get that oil all collected in that drain pan and put it in some jugs to bring it to the recycling spot afterwards. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this oil change on this Nissan Pathfinder, go get the filter swapped out, new oil put in, and we should be good to go. But so far, liking the Femco oil change tube. May add a ball valve in there, I don't know, it works well. What I may do is just get a different catch pan for it to go into, maybe just a big jug, just drain straight into a jug that I can bring and dump at the recycling place. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this oil change knocked out. Guys, well, that is going to wrap up this video. Like I said, I like the Femco oil drain system. Definitely want to have your engine a little bit warm whenever you go to drain the oil using one. But other than that, it works well. Really no mess to speak of. I may mess around with what sort of container I drain into, play around with that a little bit and see what works the best. But I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up, everything put away. But we'll wrap this up. We will wrap this one up right here. There we go. Words are hard sometimes. But anyway, guys, as always, I hope y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here on the South Coast.